Did you know that hormonal imbalances are not just a women's issue? Men can also experience this, but did you know they also experience menopause? Yes, and it can really affect them, particularly on testosterone levels and sexual health. Hormonal imbalance happens when the body makes too many or too small hormones that are produced by the endocrine glands. They travel in your blood to reach different parts of your body. They control things like hunger, metabolism, sleep, heart speed, reproduction, overall growth and development, mood, stress, and body temperature. Testosterone is the main hormone for men. There are also other hormones like cortisol, insulin, and thyroid hormones. If there's too much or too little of these hormones, men can have one of four main types of hormonal imbalance. 1. Andropause. This is like menopause for men. It happens when there's not enough testosterone. 2. Adrenal fatigue. This happens when there's not enough cortisol, the stress hormone. It often happens after being stressed for a long time. 3. Hypothyroidism. This happens when the thyroid gland doesn't make enough thyroid hormones. 4. Hyperthyroidism. This happens when the thyroid gland makes too many thyroid hormones. By the way, we have created a more detailed video about andropause and the other types of hormonal imbalances. I suggest you watch that to understand better. So what happens if men have hormonal imbalance? They may experience sudden, unexplained weight loss, excessive sweating, difficulty sleeping, headaches, irritability, anxiety, fatigue, depression, and reduced bone and muscle mass. But the most concerning for many men is the impact on sexual health. Andropause or low testosterone levels can result in erectile dysfunction, decreased libido, and difficulties with ejaculation. Unfortunately, many men didn't realize that the changes they're experiencing could be caused by a hormonal problem that can be fixed. Did you experience any of these symptoms? Comment down below.